I'm JQ.
I'm TQ.
I'm Ramon.
Yeah. Representing Q Brothers. All right. We are doing an event coming up in about 2 weeks. That's Thursday, May 2nd. We are doing a facial hair event. And if you can't tell, we have some pretty good facial hair. We're going to have a whole crew. Jay will be there. Ramon holding it down with his knowledge as usual.
What are we going to be talking about?
It'll basically be an hour event of experts in how to get every type of facial hair. Close trim beard, long beard, getting lines, doing mustaches. I'm trying to bring in some special guests for handlebar mustache. We have some announcements to make, but we're really excited about it. Doors open at 6:15. It's a ticket, but you get to use the ticket price toward a purchase. So essentially, and we're making a special in-house cocktail. We have our in-house mixologist who's going to be mixing up some cocktails.
We'll all be there, so come through.
Yeah. All right. Hope to see you then. Peace.